Wellness is one of those things that is different for everyone, but for me, it's balancing your life so that one part does not take away from another part. One of the things that I have learned at Veeam and at prior companies as well is to take time away from technology, to actually be healthy in your soul and your mind. So one of the things that I do every single day is I get outside, I will walk, I will bike. I love to scuba dive if the weather permits, but I do things outside of technology. I'm an introvert at heart, and so I tend to choose things that give me that time for self-reflection and quietness where I don't have interruptions. That's wellness for me.
To me, wellness is taking the time, and even if it's only 10 minutes a day, which is usually the case for me, taking the time to do something different, do something for yourself. My favorite example is I treated myself to Kindle Unlimited during this whole pandemic. So now I make sure at least a couple of times a week I read something totally random, totally crazy, even if it's for only 20 minutes at a time. It's carving out that little part of a day to take time and think about yourself.